Hi guys, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a bathtub, so let's get started. To draw this bathtub, we're going to first start by drawing the top of the bathtub, which is basically just a straight line across. So just see how long you want your bathtub to be, and that's how long you would make your line. So I'm going to start about right here, and I'm just going to start my line. And about right there, I'm just going to stop and draw a circle, just for a bubble. And then I'm going to keep going. So if you're more comfortable, just go ahead and draw the line first and then go in and draw the little details. I'm just going to keep going. And say about right there, I'm just going to draw some curves like this. So it's kind of like the suds falling over, dripping over, and I'm going to continue my line to about right there. Okay, so that's how long my bathtub is going to be. And from there, I'm going to come around right here and just round off the corner. So same thing on this side. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it once again with a straight line. All the way over. Okay, so I have the top of my bathtub, and now let's draw the base. So I'm going to come right here and draw an angle line down. So same thing on this side. And about right there, I'm going to start to round it off for the bottom. So same thing on this side. And once again, just go ahead and connect it. Okay, so then now we have the base, and now let's draw the legs of the bathtub. So on this corner right here, I'm just going to add a curve. So about right here, I'm going to add a curve out and bring it up. So you can draw whatever kind of legs you want for your bathtub right here. And so same thing over here, going the opposite way. So I'm just going to make sure I'm at the same level, right there. Bring it out, and then once again, just connect it. Okay, so then now let's draw the fun part of putting in all the bubbles. So I'm going to start at this corner right here, and I'm just basically going to draw a bunch of waves, curves, I mean. So some are going to be bigger, some are going to be smaller. It's all up to you. There's no right or wrong way. Just have fun with this. Okay, I'm just going to keep going up. So maybe about right here. Go up the highest point, smaller, bigger, come down a little bit. So now I'm going to start to taper off over here and back. And then come in right about right here, and I'm going to draw where the water spouts out. So I'm basically kind of like drawing a candy cane. I'm going to start about right here. And I'm basically just going to bring a curve down and go straight down. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to follow that curve I made and bring it down. So then right here, let's draw the head, and it's just basically a curve and connect it. And I'm just going to add a little line right here for some detail. And of course, some water coming down. So just however many you want. You can make a lot or just a little bit. I'll just put 3. And then from there, let's add a little rubber ducky right here. So I'm just going to draw a head. So very simple. Our little head. Get out for a little body. Just tuck it into the bubbles. Give it a little eye and the bill. There. Okay, and then come in here and just draw some circles here and there for bubbles. And in here, you can just come and draw some details. So just some curves here and there, just to make our bubbles look very bubbly. You can add some circles here and there too. And let's see, add another one there. So that's pretty much it for this bathtub, but if you want to make it even cuter and bring it to life, let's add some eyes right here. So I'm going to come about right here and add a big circle for a Draw So Cute eye. And I'm going to come right across, say about right here, and draw another circle. There. Now let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. Okay, and then from there, let's come in the center right here and give our little bathtub a cute little smile. And a little curve and cap it off. And then come up right here. We're just going to draw a curve right on top of each eye to anchor the eyes so the eyes don't look like they're just floating around. And because it is a Draw So Cute bathtub, I'm going to come to the corner right here and draw a heart. There. I hope you guys love how this cute little bathtub turned out and inspires you to draw it yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.